Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do an elastic cast off using a tapestry needle. So let's get to it. To make an elastic cast off, you're going to need to cut a piece of yarn 3 times the width of your knitting. Bring forward all your needles into E position and move the stitches so that the latches are closed. The process is to go through the front of the first stitch and the back of the third stitch, the front of the second stitch and the back of the fourth stitch, the front of the third stitch and the back of the fifth stitch, and you carry on this way all the way to the end. Insert the tapestry needle through the front of the first stitch and bring it out through the back of the third stitch. This creates a little loop behind the stitches, and as we go through the front of the second stitch, we want to make sure that the needle is over that little loop. When you reach the last stitch, go back through the loop of the second last stitch and through the first stitch again, so you can make a little knot. This is what the tapestry needle cast off looks like from the purl side and from the knit side. And it has a nice elasticity to it. If you would like to see additional ways of casting off, you can click on the red subscribe button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you to my channel where you can review my casting off playlist. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.